Yun, tuloy tayo sa part 4 practical problems. 251 to 275. Yan. Uy, bakit 51? Hindi pala yan. 251 to 275. Ito naman. Mayroong bago tayo mag-start course, I encourage you to visit this MCGI channel. More than 512 subscribers. Visit, share, like, and share. Subscribe to the MCGI channel. Okay? 251. Yan. Of course, dapat mag-focus tayo dito sa part 2. Gaya ko nung sinabi ko nung una. Part 2 and part 4. 40% yung kanyang weight sa board exam. Yung malaking factor yan para makapasa tayo. Then yung part 1 and part 3 na 10%, of course hindi na dapat natin pabayaan yun. Yan, kung meron kayong comment, corrections, it's very much welcome. No? Comment nyo lang po dyan or through this email, FB, or the number. Then sa mga nanonood ng mga video, I advise you to look at the playlist. Gumawa po ako niyan per part. Part 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, kung may nakita po kayong tingin nyo po mali doon, please look at the comment section. Maaari na nakapag-comment na sila, ay nakapag-advise na ng tamang sagot. Yan. So, comments, your suggestions are very much welcome. Okay, tuloy na tayo. 251. Bilisan natin. Where standard covers materials of various grades, weights, quality, or configuration, the portion of that listed standards that is blank shall be used. The answer is applicable. Standard covers materials of various grades, weights, quality, or configuration, the portion of that the listed standards that is applicable shall be used. 252. Hubless cast iron piping shall be supported every other joint unless over blank feet in length, then it shall be provided with support at every joint. The answer is 4 feet. Hubless cast iron piping shall be supported every other joint unless over 4 feet in length, then it shall be provided with support at every joint. 253. All pipe fittings, straps, fixtures, materials, and devices used in plumbing system shall be blank. What? Answer is... Uy, bakit may answer na may answer pa dito? Yan. Answer is... Shall be approved by authority having jurisdiction, listed or labeled by listing agency, free from defects, or lahat ng tatlo, all of the above. Ito yung option choices eh. All 5 fittings, straps, fixture, materials, and devices used in plumbing system shall be approved by the authority having jurisdiction, listed or labeled by a listing agency, and free from defects. 254. Horizontal hubless pipe shall be braced at not more than 40-foot intervals to prevent what? The answer is horizontal movement. Of course, horizontal kasi siya, hindi siya vertical. Horizontal hubless pipe shall be braced at not more than 40-foot intervals to prevent horizontal movement. And 255. Disposal of sewage or other liquid waste shall be by means of what? The answer is the drainage system of the building or premises. Disposal of sewage or other liquid waste shall be by means of the drainage system of the building or premises. By means of the drainage system or system of the building or premises. Yan. Next. Yan. Dami tayong commercial ngayon. Dami tayong racket. Yan for hotel bookings and reservation nationwide po yan. Yan. Red Doors, Hans Hotel and Affiliates. You can contact me to this following number. You can message me to the messenger on pwede po yan sa may FB account. Ayan. Yan po ang racket nating bago. 256 na tayo. Tuloy tayo. 256. Piping in connection with a plumbing system shall be installed that the piping or connections will not be subject to undue strains or stress, and provision shall be made for blank. Madaming sagot yata. The answer is structural element, contraction, and expansion. Yan. All of these ABC. Siyempre, pero pag exam na, pipiliin natin ay B. All of the above. Piping in connection with the plumbing system shall be installed that the piping or connection will not be subject to undue strains or stress, and provisions shall be made for structural element, contraction, and expansion. All of that above. Okay. 257. If AHJ or authority having jurisdiction permits an alternative engineered design, blank, what's the answer? The approval shall have no effect beyond the authority having jurisdiction boundary. Yan. If AHJ permits an alternative engineered design, the approval shall have no effect beyond the AHJ boundary. 258. Each drainage tract that extends 10 more stories above the building drain shall be served by blank. The answer is a parallel bed stack. Each drainage tract that extends 10 or more stories above the building drain shall be served by a parallel bed stack. 259. Indirect waste piping serving ice machine over 15 feet need not be larger in diameter than the drain outlet or tailpiece of the picture, but in no case less than blank inches. The answer is 3/4 inches. Indirect waste piping serving ice machine over 15 feet need not be larger in diameter than the drain outlet or entire piece of the pictures, but in no case less than 3/4 inches. Okay, topic 60. Yan. The limits of a clothes washer standpipe height above its strap is blank inches. The answer is 18 to 30 inches. The limits of a clothes washer standpipe height above its strap is 18 to 30 inches. Yon. Tuloy natin Yon, ini-invite ko po kayong mag-join to this group. Paging sa lahat ng taga Caloocan City. Civil engineers working in both private or public or residing in Caloocan City. Even if you are a civil engineering student. Hopefully, establish yung PICE Caloocan City Chapter. Ayan po yung link. Ito po yung FB account, no? And hope po yung admin dyan. So, kakaumpisa ko lang nung nakaraan, kaya 9 members pa lang. And I hope we reach 23 para maka-establish ng chapter. 23 minimum and more. And okay. Tuloy na tayo. 261. Indirect waste pipe exceeding 5 feet in length shall be blank. The answer is trap. Hindi yung matrap, no? Sabihin lalagyan ng trap. Indirect waste pipes exceeding 5 feet in length shall be trap. 262. The developed length between the trap of a water closet and its vent shall not exceed blank feet. The answer is 6 feet. The developed length between the trap of a water closet and its vent shall not exceed 6 feet. 263. Except for univalves, drawn copper alloy tubing traps not less than 17 BNS gauge may be installed on fixtures discharging liquid waste provided that they are blank. Answer is exposed and readily accessible. Except for urinals, drawn copper alloy tubing traps not less than 17 BNS may be installed on fixtures discharging liquid waste provided that they are exposed and readily accessible. (264) Pressure type vacuum breaker is a device designed to be used for what? Answer is preventing back siphonage. Pressure type vacuum breaker is a device designed to be used for preventing back siphonage. 265. Relating to cesspool construction, where a strata of gravel or equally pervious material of 4 feet in thickness is found, the depth of cesspool sidewall shall not exceed blank feet below the inlet. Answer is 10 feet or 10. Relating to cesspool construction, where a strata of gravel or equally pervious material of 4 feet in thickness is found, the depth of cesspool sidewall shall not exceed 10 feet below the inlet. Ulit, ulitin ko po relating to cesspool construction where a strata of gravel or equally pervious material of 4 feet in thickness is found, the depth of cesspool sidewall shall not exceed 10 feet below the inlet. Yan, 266. Yan. Hindi na itago, ito na ang sagot. The maximum rainfall rate for Manila in inches per hour is 6 inches per hour. The maximum rainfall rate for Manila in inches per hour is 6. 267. Yan na to. But may comment. Okay. Unless other means acceptable to AHJ are used, thus equipment, appliances located on the roof requires an inside means of access to the roof for building exceeding blank feet in height. Answer is 15 feet. Yan. Unless other means acceptable to AHJ are used. Gas piping equipment and appliance located on the roof requires an inside means of access to the roof for buildings exceeding 15 feet in height. Wala tayong commercial 268. Single wall metal pipe for vent connector shall be constructed of a galvanized sheet steel not less than length of an inch thick. Answer is 0.0304 of an inch. Single wall metal pipe for vent connector shall be constructed of a galvanized sheet steel not less than 0.034 of an inch. 269. Minawalat na tayo hindi pa sanay. The authority having no jurisdiction shall be permitted to require a request for inspection be filed not less than blank hours before such inspection is decided. Answer is 24 hours. Authority having jurisdiction shall be permitted to require that a request for inspection be filed not less than 24 hours before such inspection is required. 270. Yan. Ito na yung sagot. A side inlet quarter bend is prohibited fitting and shall not be used as a drainage fitting. The answer is side inlet quarter bend. Side inlet quarter bend is prohibited fitting and shall not be used as a drainage fitting. Yun, bago tayo magtapos. Ito muna tayo. 270. Yeah. Ulitin natin yan. Pasensya na kayo. Show ko to. Sabi nga nila. Yan. Art Tahanan. Shopee Lazada. Your coziness in every home. Your Shopee spree starts here. Yan. Ito po. Ng Varilla, Alexandria Varilla, Joanna's Adventure, and BRICE Channel. 271. The common waste pipes being for clothes washer in a battery will have a total of blank fixtures. Uy, bakit walang sagot? Wala. Kaya lang, balikan natin yan. Balikan natin. Sige, kung mga makakasagot, comment na lang po yung sagot. No? Teka lang. Hanapin na natin para maganda. Number 71. Yun, the answer is 24. 24 yung sagot. Parang ito. Hindi na lang may 24 dito. Ito, 24 hours. Yung 24 fixture units. Yan. The common waste pipe serving 4 clothes washers in a battery will have a total of 24 fixture units. Yun, 272. Where a 1-inch diameter pipe is replaced with a 2-inch diameter pipe, the cross-sectional area will increase 4 times. So, times 4 pala siya, no? Pag doble yung diameter, times 4 siya. Yun. Shout out sa bagong pasok. Okay, 200. Where a 1-inch diameter pipe is replaced with a 2-inch diameter pipe, the cross-sectional area will increase 4 times. 273. A zero line installed horizontally will require additional cleanouts for each aggregate change of direction exceeding 135 degrees. Sewer lines installed horizontally will require additional cleanouts for each aggregate change of direction exceeding 135 degrees. So, kung 90, pwede pa, no? Pero pag 135 degrees na, daragdag na siya ng additional clean outs. 274. Ito, tandaan natin to. The minimum septic tank capacity in gallons for single family dwelling with 2 bedrooms is 750 gallons. So, English system siya, no? Kasi pag kami, metric system na yung ginamit. Sa board exam, pero iba kasi ito eh. Master Plumber to eh. The minimum septic tank capacity in gallons for single family dwelling with 2 bedrooms is 750 gallons. And last question for this session. The C factor relates to a factor used to indicate the smoothness of the interior of a pipe. Yan. C factor relates to a factor used to the smoothness of the interior of a pipe. Yan. Hopefully, tuloy ko mamaya habang tahimik sa paligid. And for more engineering software review and engineering topics, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Ayan. Yan, salamat sa mga bago nating. And good luck po sa lahat na mag-exam sa July 16 and 17. Good luck and I hope you pass all. Good evening and see you next session. Oy, thank you, John Jones Togade. Yes, hopefully tomorrow yung plumbing arithmetic, naka-ready na yung 3 files, no? Okay, see you in the next session. Good day po to everyone.